Welcome guys. So in today's video I am going to tell you how can we make the things easier in Samsung mobile, like taking screenshots. In other mobiles, as we know, the recent mobiles which are coming to the market like MI and other phones, there is a 3 finger system for taking screenshot. Just swipe 3 fingers downwards and it will take the screenshot. Just like that, Samsung has also provided some inbuilt features by which we can make the things easier, and there are multiple ways to take the screenshot in Samsung mobile. So I will explain all the things in the video, but before proceeding further I would like to request you, please subscribe the channel. Please just push the red button below the video in your browser. Think anything about me, but please subscribe that button. So before now coming to the video, the first thing by which we can taking screenshot, the conventional method is volume down key and the power on. If we press both simultaneously, the screenshot will become volume down key plus power on simultaneously. So this is the first and the conventional method by which each of us is taking screenshot. Now I will come to the second. In the Samsung mobile, suppose if we are browsing anything, suppose we are going to Delhi Hunt and something is coming and we want to send something here to anybody. So there is an inbuilt feature in Samsung mobile, that is S panel. Here just we go to S panel and here many things are there. Just go to the pin to screen. As soon as you will select this pin to screen, it will tell which size. Suppose we want to share this much size only, just pin to the screen. It has pinned. Now we can download it. We can go to the gallery. Just we can see it, and here see only that much portion of the screen has come, and we can share it and send it to somebody. So it's a specific portion of the screen can be taken. If we are watching some YouTube and we are in need of sending something on this, just go to the edge panel, pin to screen, select it. By here you can pin to screen, then download it, and in gallery we can go and we can send it. So this is the pin to screen feature. This is the second feature which is very essential. Now coming to the third one, we will go to the settings. Then in settings we will go to the accessibility. In accessibility we will go to the interaction and dexterity. In interaction and dexterity we will go to the assistance menu. If this is switched off, you need to switch on. I have already switched on and I will tell you where it is coming, assistant menu. Then click on that menu. Here it is on. Now you can go downwards and show the as on. Here you have to select it, show the as on. Then what will happen, as soon as we show, there is a half circle, semi half circle is there. No one will able to notice you if you are not telling it to anybody. So as soon as you will touch it, this will come, and from here you can take the screenshot. So this is the very wonderful technique, very useful technique. You can see the control the screenshots. You can go the home button, recent buttons is there, and you can also see the cursors. Now see the cursor is here, and this is the pad. We can close it. We can make the pad downwards also. We can see the cursor, and Apart from that, screen control is also there. We can either go right, upward, downward. By that, some menu settings are also there. Here we can so as on or off we can do. So this is the third by which we can take a screenshot of anything, any screen. Anything means which is coming on the screen. So suppose we are going to we are watching the Prime Videos and we want to take the screenshot. Just go there and screenshot has come. Now we can see that gallery just once. Here you can see, you can share it. So this is all about the today's video. We have discussed 3 methods of taking screenshot in Samsung mobile, which is the inherent feature of the Samsung mobile. First is the volume down and power on button simultaneously we have to press to take in screenshot. Second, pin to shoot option, which is coming on the edge panel, and second, this as on, this third semi half circle. We can go there and take the screenshot. So this is all about today's video. If you liked it, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.